And here we are with the African wild dogs. Amazing experience to be with these beautiful creatures, guys. This is the African wild dog there. Lycaon pictus, which means painted wolf in Latin. I get about 79 pounds. And they have about 20 puppies per year. So these are incredible creatures. I can't believe I get to experience this. I can't believe it. It says it right over here. Lycaon pictus. And honey medium says, yep, antelope says, yep, cougar, wildebeest, yep, impala, yes. It's alright, they do. They like to have antelopes, wildebeest, and impala, as they said on the sign. I have already heard that because I have read about that. There you go. Now these are African wild dogs. And then take a zoom.
Sleeping.
Oh, they're actually not hyenas. They're painted dogs. I love those.